Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install AutoCAD with a free student license using the easy method. This is a great way to unlock the full design tools on your learning path so you can practice your schoolwork at home for free. Step 1. Go to the Education section of the official website. Open your web browser, type the main company name into the search bar, click on the official link, find the menu button, and select the page marked Educational Access. Look at the center of the new page layout and click on the large button to get you started to open the School Profile tool. Because you cannot get the free version from the regular shopping store page, you have to open this specific school section so the system knows you are a student looking for a free pass. Without this step, the website will only show you the paid options or the short trial buttons instead of the full school library. Step 2. Create a school profile and enter your details. Next, you need to set up a brand new user account and tell the system exactly which school or college you are currently attending. Choose your home country from the drop-down list, select your role as student, pick your school type, and type in your official birth date. Click Next, type your school's real name into the search box, choose the date you started classes, and enter your expected graduation day before hitting Save. Because the software company needs to verify that you are a real student before they give you the free tools. By filling out these specific school boxes, you set up your official student profile in their database. It ensures that the computer connects your personal login name to the free school system instead of a standard business account. Step 3. Upload your school paper to prove you are a student. If you are eligible and is proven, you may ask to attach a clear photo of your school ID card or your current registration letter from your computer folders. By sharing your official ID paper, you give the company real proof that your student profile is completely true. It is the key step to getting the right output, because once the system checks your document, it instantly unlocks the download links for your account. Step 4. Download and put the drawing program on your machine. The final step is to head back to the main education product list, select your preferred version, and run the installer to load the app onto your desktop. Find the drawing program logo on your unlocked screen, select your current year version from the drop-down menu, click the Install or Download button, and open the setup file once it finishes downloading. Click through the standard setup boxes on your screen, wait for the installation progress bar to slide all the way to the end, and then open the new shortcut icon on your desk. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.